Everyone has that one person in their life who sounds like a heavy freight train the second their head hits the pillow. Maybe that person is actually you. You wake up feeling like you ran a marathon in your sleep. Your throat is dry. Your head is pounding. You are desperate for a solution that does not involve wearing a giant plastic mask with tangled tubes. This is exactly where a device like the PureFlow Pro enters the picture. It promises a natural fix for snoring and sleep apnea. It claims to use something called neuromuscular electrical stimulation. That sounds like a massive mouthful of science. In plain English, it means the device sends tiny electrical pulses to your throat muscles. The goal is to give those muscles a workout while you rest. If the muscles stay tight and toned, your airway stays open. It sounds like a total dream. No more loud noises. No more gasping for air. Just a simple wearable doing the heavy lifting for you. But we have to look past the shiny marketing. The company is leaning hard into the convenience factor. They offer free shipping. They give you a 90-day money-back guarantee. These are classic ways to make a buyer feel safe. We checked out the technical side of their digital footprint. The website is functional. It has all the right security certificates. There are no immediate signs of a phishing scam. It looks like a real business selling a real product. However, there is a catch. The website domain is very young. It has only been around for a few months. When a company is this new, there's not much history to lean on. We looked for independent reviews. We went to sites like Trustpilot. We found nothing. It is a complete ghost town. That does not mean the product is a fraud. It just means we are the guinea pigs for now. The health claims are the biggest hurdle. The company says it can help with sleep apnea. That is a serious medical condition. It can lead to heart issues or worse. There is no broad clinical data specifically for this device yet. Neuromuscular stimulation is a real concept. It is used in physical therapy all the time. But applying it to the throat to stop snoring requires specific proof. You should be extremely careful before you toss out your medical equipment. Never replace a doctor's prescription with a gadget you found online without asking a professional first. The verdict right now is that the PureFlow Pro is likely a legitimate wellness product. It is probably not a scam designed to steal your credit card info. But is it a medical miracle? That remains to be seen. You should read every single policy on their site before you click buy. Check the refund rules twice. Make sure you know exactly how to get your money back if your throat muscles do not turn into iron overnight. Stay curious. Stay skeptical. Most importantly, keep your doctor in the loop on your sleep health journey. Evidence should always beat marketing. Keep your expectations realistic and your eyes wide open. Your health is too important for guesswork. That is the bottom line in this new wearable trend.